Hi, today we will see how to draw with Python. Let's open the apps first. To draw with Python, you must import the library Turtle. To import it, we must write import from Turtle import. Now let's start. To draw, we must write fd. It's mean for word 100. Let's write here 100, 200 and C. As you see, we can write here fd. It's better and shorter. Now let's write earth right 19 and at 200, another 200. Let's see what's going on. Oh, as we see, it's work. Now let's change right by RT. It's work. So now let's draw a square. Let's write here for E in range. For E in range, let's see 4 times, and here 2 points. Let's like here. Now for E in range, for mean that repeat these 2 actions 4 times, and let's see what we will have. As we see, it's square. No, we can draw. We can. Now let's draw a triangle. Let's change this for 3, and let's write here 200 and 30, 16, 68. Oh no. Let's write 100. No, it must work. As we see, it works. So let's change this for 5 and this for 60 and C. Let's add another one. It's work. We can also change the color by writing color and write the name of the color. Let's say red. Let's see now. As we see, the color has changed. We can also change the pen size. We write pen size and the size of the pen that we want. Let's say, let's see. So it's work. We can also change the speed of the drawing, saying speed, and right here the speed, let's say 20. So it's speed. Let's change it now to 1. Let's see. It's so slow. There is more options. There is more option for turtle. We will see in the next videos. Thank for watching and wait for the next videos. Don't forget to leave your comments.